Seva Spurti, inspiring stories for volunteers.
This story is about an incident that happened 15 years back in Bangalore city. In many communities, when there is a funeral procession, there are a few people who will be paid to dance in front of the funeral procession. One such funeral procession was going on, and a bunch of people were dancing in front of the procession, and they were paid to do that. One of the volunteers who was watching this funeral procession spotted a boy who was just about 10 years old, looked very bright, and after the procession was over, this volunteer waited for this boy and spoke to him. Are you going to school? He said, no, I don't go to school. I just do some manual jobs. And whenever there is a funeral procession, I dance and I get paid for that. She then asked, are you interested to go to school? And explained him the future that he would have if he goes to school. Then the boy casually said, I don't mind. Then she enrolled this boy into a shelter home called Nele. In Kannada, Nele means shelter, which takes care of street children's rehabilitation programs. After 10 years, this boy has now completed his 10th standard exam with 70% marks, and he finished his bachelor's degree in commerce and has completed his master's degree in commerce too. This is the kind of transformation that we could see in this boy. As a young boy, when he was dancing in front of the funeral, it would have been very easy for anyone to just accept that this is how many people are. But this volunteer who spotted the potential in the child brought about such a transformation in his life. Seeing the potential is what Swami Vivekananda referred to as seeing the divinity. He said each soul is potentially divine and divinity is nothing but perfection. So if you are able to see the potential for perfection in everyone, irrespective of the current situation they are in, then we can help transform those lives. In fact, this is a message that Swami Vivekananda himself internalized in a very hard way. When he was wandering around the country before going to US, he came to Rajasthan. Ajit Singh was the king of Khetri province in Rajasthan. He invited Swamiji to his palace and arranged for a court dancer to perform in his honor. When the dance performance was just about to begin, Swamiji told the king that being a monk, being a sannyasi, it's not appropriate for him to enjoy dance performances. Hearing this, the dancer was deeply hurt because she was looking forward to present her dance in his honor. Swamiji later sat in his room and the dancer started off with a Surdas bhajan, which goes like this: Prabhu more avaguna chitna dharo, samadarshi hai namatiharo, chahe to par karo. Which means, O Lord, don't look at my shortcomings. I heard that you are somebody who looks equally at everyone, Samadarshi. And if you mind, you can help me and liberate me. And in the next stanza, the song said, one piece of metal became a bell and entered the puja room, whereas another piece of metal became a sharp knife and ended up in the hands of a butcher. Now she asks, is there any fault of the iron piece that ended up in the butcher's place? It's all situational. But when Swamiji heard this song, he suddenly woke up. Arey, I have been talking about seeing divinity in everyone, and why couldn't I see divinity in this court dancer? So he came out of his room and he apologized to the dancer. So this is a lesson that Swamiji learnt in a hard way. For all of us volunteers, it's very important not to judge a person by the current situation he or she is in. In fact, it's easy to look at the potential of a child, but can you see the divinity in an alcoholic, in an addict? Can you see the divinity in a criminal? That is what is required to transform. Only when we see divinity, the potential in a person, we can love the person, we can aspire to dream about the person and we can transform the person.